Hello and welcome to my channel. Abia's dress code from culture to development. You heard about the new dress code in Abia State. My people, culture is not what we keep in museums. Culture is how we live every day. Last week or so, Abia State government approved a new policy. Civil servants must wear traditional attire every Friday and government officials every first Monday of the month. Many clapped for the idea. Some doubted it. But one thing is clear. This decision is more than fashion. If handled well, it can open the door to a cultural and economic revolution across Igboland. A thumbs up to Abia State government. The Commissioner for Information, Prince Oke Kano, said the move is to promote indigenous craftsmanship and strengthen cultural identity. In simple words, it means let us wear what we produce. Let us show pride in who we are. And let us support Aba-made fabrics, shoes and caps. That is what they are trying to say. For me, that is a good step. It will give businesses to our tailors, our weavers, our shoemakers, and it will make young people see that native attire is not just for weddings, but for everyday life. It will also remind us that being Igbo is not something to hide, but something to celebrate. So I support Abia State government so much. That's a nice one. But my people, our culture is more than clothes. Yes. If the Abia State government is serious, they should also look at other areas within their control, within what the state can do. Abia State is already known across Africa for shoes, clothes, and bags. Government can turn Aba into a global industrial hub by supporting artisans with modern machines, training and access to export markets. Now, if we wear our clothes, let the world also wear them. Those Fendi, whatsoever, those designers clothes. You see different Chicago Bulls, all these and the rest of them. They are owned by, they are brands that are foreign. And they manage to come to our space. We should be able to also package ours, let it get to other sides. So you wonder why government offices should still serve foreign rice and imported drinks. Let us promote Abia cassava, Abia yam, Abia palm wine, and local delicacies. So it's not just about clothes anyway, just like we're saying. Civil service canteens should buy from Abia farmers first. That way, our culture supports farming and farming supports the people. You see, there are certain things we can do even at this local level. Let me tell you. Federal. The federal government deprives us of this and that. There is what we can do within the state level. The state level, which is our highest control for now. Yes, we have the people at the Senate. But there is what the state level can do. And I like what Abia is doing, but I believe they can do more. And other Southeast states will copy as well. So, schools should not only teach mathematics and English. They should also teach Igbo history, proverbs, and local skills like weaving and carving. Even government offices can start using Igbo language side by side with English. I did an Igbo program the other day, and I hope I will get the support. Our children should not be beaten in schools because of speaking Igbo. No. There's nothing like vernacular. Our children should not be punished. I'm talking about schools in our region, Igbo-speaking areas. When our children speak Igbo language in their classes, they should not be punished because they are speaking vernacular. No, it should stop henceforth. So even in government offices, Igbo should be part of the communication medium. Begin to change things. We should start using Igbo side by side with the English. Let me tell you, if you lose your language, you lose your soul. Abia kita asị na for example, na Anambra government house, ma n'Imo government house, so Igbo ka aya na-asụ. Mba no, aya na-asụzi Imo Igbo. Ọ bụrụ sị iyi akwa Igbo, ekwetago m na nke akwa. Nke email. Mana aya na-asụ m Igbo. O nwere ụfọdụ meeting aya eme na Igbo, ife niile ka aya na-asụ n'Igbo. I like maybe Abia na-eje, mana ife ndị ọzọ gasị ka m na-ekwukwa gasị. Abia has heritage sites like Arochukwu, long juju, and many masquerade traditions. You know, Igboland, government should develop them into tourist centers. Every year they can host cultural carnivals that will attract visitors from all over the world to these places. Hey, emir of one of these, I think Dubai, they are buying up places around Tanzania and probably maybe Liberia or so. Do you know what they are trying to use those places for? In the name of blue carbon, they are trying to buy those places, use them for tourist attraction. We have our own things that will package here. The world should come and visit. It might feel Hollywood, na tourism, all these places, you know. Let me tell you, people want to see your own, but you have to package it, make it ready for them to come. We also have rich knowledge of herbs. Instead of abandoning it, government can establish research centers for traditional medicine. That will improve healthcare and even create export opportunities. Let me tell you, we can export our medicines. We will not be only importing orthodox medicines. We can export our medicines. Don't think our medicines are not viable. And even the way we build matters. Our schools, our markets, and our public buildings. Some of the times they can carry Igbo designs and arts, not just plain concrete boxes. Let our development, even our building, let our buildings speak our language. If from the kind of clothes they are wearing, we explore other things. So that dress code it should not just be about looking fine on Friday. It should be the starting point of full cultural and economic revival. If Abia succeeds, other Southeast states and other Igbo-speaking areas too. Because only when we use what we have can we truly become who we are. Igbo Turino say, if onye ji achondo, nya bụ onwe ya. What one uses to seek life is his own identity. Onye Igbo ka iji achondo. Abia State has taken a bold step. Let us not stop at clothes. Mba. Let us wear our culture. Let us eat our culture. Let us build our culture and let us live our culture. That is the road to true development. Please, anywhere you're watching from, please like, share, and subscribe to IGBO AREA TV. Uno na like wife name. Na akwadonum. My name is Azoka Oje. Afanwo Azoka Oje. Ebe akansi kan happier.